Good afternoon, viewers from Bacolod City. Well, how much does it cost to rent a house in Bacolod City? What can you get for $100 a month? Well, I'm on the way to Fortune Town, and on this video, I'm going to show you. The house I'm taking you to is in Celine Homes, and the house there is just $100 a month. There's some quite decent subdivisions also on the way here, including this one, Bethany Court. Houses there will cost a lot more. And also on the left, there's a very nice subdivision, the Palisades. We're heading up to Celine Homes, which is right in the middle of Fortune Town. This is Fortune Town. Go past the Save More supermarket, and here you are, Celine Homes. Now I'll show you where the house is. And here we are. This house has just been renovated. It's been rented out already at just 6,500 pesos per month, which is only just over $100. This is Celine Homes subdivision, and this is what you can get for 6,500 a month. This has got 2 bedrooms. They're just finishing off the renovation now before the new tenants move in. It's got a little outdoor area here. This is the main living room area with a bathroom and a kitchen. The main bedroom area here goes out to the outdoor patio area. It's got 1 double room here. This room is fully tiled. The house is tiled throughout. This is the kitchen area. Also tiled. That's the main living room. There's a smaller second bedroom there. That's the kitchen. This is the bathroom. Small bathroom. Very typical Filipino bathroom. It's the living area, all new tiles. And this is the small room, which is not that small actually. It's a 2-bedroom house. Just finishing off the front. A couple of tiles for a step as you go in. But for just over $100, this place is a good deal. Let me know what you think. And now, I'll show you the area, and I'll show you Fortune Town, My next stop is the 7-Eleven in Fortune Town. This is the main entrance, and this is Fortune Town. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you on the next video.